Hey everyone, today I'm unboxing this smoke detector. It is a reliable safety device with a 10 years sealed battery. Inside the box you get the smoke detector itself, magnets and screws for easy mounting, plus the manual. Everything you need to install is however you prefer, wall or ceiling. Before installation, pull out the battery tab to activate the alarm, and this step is crucial for the device to work properly. Let's test it out. Press and hold the test button until you hear the loud alarm. That means it's working perfectly. With a 10 years lithium battery built in, you won't need to change it often, and it even alerts you when the battery is low. So keep your home safe and secure with this smoke detector, easy to install, long-lasting and dependable. Now for real test, I'm lighting this to create smoke. Watch how quickly the detector senses it. Photoelectric sensor is sensitive to slow, smoldering fires, so it gives you early warning when it matters most.